My name is Giles Coe, working with the Rother Valley Railway for the last 5 years. Once we've built up a picture of what's here, we then follow the mitigation hierarchy, which is avoid, mitigate, compensate, enhance. There's a limited amount that we can do to avoid because there's really just one way that the railway can go, but we can do what we can. Then mitigation coming next, when we can see that there are species that might be impacted or habitats, we put into mitigating measures to limit the effect. So that might be translocation of reptiles or the moving of a badger set. From there we look at compensation. So if we've already quantified the habitats that are to be lost, the compensation that then comes in is to replace those habitats. So we've got some areas for line-side planting and a few larger areas as well. On top of that is enhancement. You might think, well, once we've run through all of those things, what is there left to do? Well, there will always be something more that we can do. And what we seek to do is to leave the site in a better biodiversity state than it was when we started.